Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a shawl. This shawl is a very easy pattern. It's only 4 rows that you need to repeat and it only uses basic stitches, double crochet, chains and front post and back post double crochet. For this shawl I'm using the new Bella Coco Merino yarn, which is a collaboration with Hobby. And the yarn is available in such beautiful colors. The yarn is very soft and thin. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. So I will start with this color, it's color 7. Usually I try to work from the inside of the ball because it's easier. So I will start with a magic ring. And we will start with chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. Then we work 2 more double crochet in the ring. We chain 2 and work 3 double crochet in the ring. So we now have 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and the first double crochet is made with a chain 3. Then pull this end to close the ring, and this is row 1. In row 2 we will chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet, turn our work, and work 2 double crochet in the first stitch. 1 and 2. So now we have 3 double crochet in the first stitch, but the first double crochet is a chain 3. Then we work a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then in the center chain 2 space we will work a double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet. So this is what we call the center chain 2 space. Then we work a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And we work 3 double crochet in the last stitch. So the first stitch in the previous row was a chain 3, so we insert the hook in the 3rd chain. And here we will work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. And this is what row 2 looks like. In row 3 we will chain 4, which counts as your first double crochet and a chain 1. Turn our work and work a double crochet in the first stitch. So this counts as your first double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then we will repeat the following until the center chain 2 space. We skip 2 stitches and work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next. Double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. So in the future rows just keep repeating this until you reach the last 2 stitches. Then you skip the last 2 stitches and you work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This is all worked in the same centered chain 2 space. Then we repeat the following until the end. We skip 2 stitches and work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. So in the future rows just keep repeating this until you have 3 stitches left. Then you skip the next 2 stitches, and in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain, you will work a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. In row 4 we will chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet, turn our work, and we work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. And then we will work 3 double crochet in each V-stitch, which is the chain 1 space. So go ahead and work 3 double crochet in each V-stitch or each chain 1 space. 3 double crochet in the next V-stitch. And repeat this all the way until the last V-stitch. In the center chain 2 space we will work a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Then we repeat the following till the end, 3 double crochet in each V-stitch. And in the last one, 3 double crochet, and then we work 2 double crochet in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain. 1 and 2. In row 5 we will chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. We turn our work and we work 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Now we will work a front post double crochet in each double crochet until we reach the center chain 2 space. And front post double crochet is worked as a normal double crochet, but you insert the hook from the front to the back, around the stitch, and then from the back to the front. And then you continue working the double crochet. So I'll show you in the next stitch, from the front to the back and from the back to the front. Now keep working front post double crochet in every stitch until you reach the center chain 2 space. And the reason we use a front post double crochet is because it will create this nice ribbing. And this is the last double crochet. In the center chain 2 space we will work a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And then we continue working a front post double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. I'm almost at the end. I just work my last front post double crochet, and then in the last stitch, which is the third chain, we will work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So this is what it looks like. This is the back of your work, because if you flip it, you will see this nice ribbing. In row 6 we will chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. Turn our work. We will work 2 more double crochet in the first stitch. Three double crochet in the first stitch. Then we work a back post double crochet in each stitch. So it's almost the same as the front post, but we insert the hook in the back of the stitch. So we insert the hook from the back to the front around the double crochet, and then from the back to the front. And then we work the double crochet. So again, yarn over, find the next stitch, insert the hook from the back to the front and then to the back, and finish the stitch like a double crochet. I'll show you from the back. Now work a back post double crochet in each stitch till the center chain 2 space. In the center chain 2 space we will work a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And then again work a back post double crochet in each stitch until the end. This is the last back post double crochet. And then we will work 3 double crochet in the last stitch, which is the third chain. 1, 2, and 3. And this is what it looks like. All you need to do now is repeat row 3, 4, 5 and 6 until the shawl is big enough. So go ahead, work on your shawl, and I will see you at the end. So I just finished 3 sets of this color, and it's now time for me to move on to the next color, and I will show you how to make an invisible color change. The new color that I'm going to use is off-white, color 7, and I will show you what to do. So I will work the last double crochet, and then right before finishing it I will grab the new color and finish the stitch with the new color, like this. And then to secure the brown strand, which we have to weave in later, I will make a knot. Just a simple knot, basic knot. And then another tip is that I'm going to weave in this end while crocheting. So I'm just going to use double stranded, which is weaving in the end automatically. And then I need to work a double crochet. And as you can see, the end is woven in. So now later I will cut this yarn and only have to weave in this end. Now keep repeating rows 3, 4, 5 and 6 until you reach row 48 or run out of yarn. Here you can see my stitch count overview, which shows you how many stitches you should have at the end of each row. So I'm done with the shawl. I just finished 48 rows, and I will end with the row of 3 double crochet in the V stitches, and I'm going to work 2 rows for a nice elegant border. And I will show you how to make the border. I will now be working row 49. We chain 3 as our first double crochet, and work 2 more double crochet in the first stitch. What we are going to do for the entire row is we chain 5, and we are going to work a slip stitch in between the double crochet groups. So there's a group of 3 double crochet, and in between you see this little gap, and that's where we make the slip stitches. So we work a slip stitch, then again chain 5, slip stitch, chain 5, and slip stitch. So this is what it looks like, and we will repeat doing this until the center chain 2 space, and I will see you there. I'm going to make the last 5 chains before the center chain 2 space, and instead of slip stitching in the center chain 2 space, we are going to work a double crochet, chain 3 instead of 2, and another double crochet in the center chain 2 space, and then again we chain 5 and work a slip stitch in between the 3 double crochet groups, as I call them. So repeat this to the end of the row, chain 5, slip stitch in between the 3 double crochets, and I will see you at the end. I am at the end, so I'll make the last 5 chains, then I will skip the next 4 double crochet and work 3 double crochet in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. And now it's time for the last row. In row 50, the very last row, we are going to chain 3, return our work, and we will work 2 more double crochet in the first stitch, because the first 3 chains count as your first stitch. Then we will work a slip stitch in the next chain 5 space, and then we will work 7 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is what we will repeat until the center chain 3 space. So we work a slip stitch in the next chain 5 space and 7 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. And I will see you at the center. I'm at the center chain 3 space, so I will work a slip stitch in the last chain space and then 7 double crochet in the center chain 3 space. And then we will repeat this, so we work a slip stitch in the next chain space and 7 double crochet in the next chain space. I will see you at the end. I just finished the last 7 double crochet, then I will slip stitch in the next chain space and work 3 double crochet in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain. And that's it. If you have enough yarn left and if you like, you can make some tassels for both ends of the shawl, and I will quickly show you how to make them in case you want to make them. Okay, so to make a tassel, which is optional, I'm going to use the Clover tassel maker, but you can use any object like a book or a phone. So what you will do is wrap the yarn around the tassel maker for about 40 times. Then you will cut the yarn and cut a strand that's a little bit longer than the length of your tassel. So what I do is I insert my needle here. I think I'm using this tassel maker wrong, but this is just how I always do it and it works. So I'll make a knot. And then we are going to cut the yarn. Now we will cut a strand that's longer than the tassel size. And we will make a knot. I usually make a double knot to secure, so I wrap this around the tassel and make another knot. Then I will use my tapestry needle. And I pull them through, and then later I will trim them so that they will be the same length. Go trim the tassel. You will grab a shawl end. And this is how I attach them. And then the other strand I will go from the back to the front. Yep, like this. Then I make a knot. Well, 2 knots. And then I will do the same under and then through here. I will do the same. Where are you? There you are. But then I will do the same on the other side. So and then you trim the last steel. And then you've attached the tassel. Now do the same on the other side. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!